Ready to conquer the business world? First, let's unpack everything you need to know about BBA in India. BBA, or Bachelor of Business Administration, is your gateway to a flourishing career in business. But where to start? Well, the top colleges like IIM Indore, Christ University, and NMIMS are setting benchmarks with their comprehensive programs. Getting into these elite institutions isn't just about good grades. Entrance exams, interviews, and a sprinkle of your unique personality are all part of the package. And if you're wondering about the cost, BBA programs can range anywhere from 1 to 10 lakh rupees annually, depending on the prestige and facilities of the college. Now hold up, is BBA now a 4-year course? Yes, in line with global standards, some institutions have extended their BBA programs to 4 years, providing a deeper, more intensive educational experience. And which BBA specialization should you aim for? From marketing to international business, choose one that aligns with your career goals. The best part? A BBA can open doors to impressive starting salaries, often ranging from 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, which can skyrocket with experience and further education. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a successful business career? Dive into the world of BBA and make your mark.